Okay, right now we're back at Asphalt Nitro again, and this time we will play it with no sound for some reason. But yes, I'm just doing this easy challenge. Hotspur set, target acquired, superstar set. Oh yeah, I got that. I just got 550 stars. And yeah, I got 607 stars while I was grinding off camera. So yeah, let's do this. By the way, sorry if this is exploit. I don't know if you could hear my voice in the last video, but yes. Let's just keep going and use the Chevrolet Corvette C7 to win this bad boy, shall we? Okay. Okay, we got a Ferrari Furbelinetta for some reason. How is bro here? And why is there a Spada Kodatronka? Sorry for the stuttering. Just too bad. Bam. Let's do a flat spin. How many do we need? 3 flat spins and 4 total seconds of airtime. Okay. Ugh, flat spin, flat spin. Nice. There's no time for swimming. I get it. Why is the Zonda so fast though? Come back here, buddy. Ain't gonna survive this time. Okay, I don't know why I maxed out this thing, but yes, it's just an exploit. And yes, sorry for exploiting sorry if this is exploited, but yes. 5th eliminated, Elbozo. Cry. Go cry to your mom. Just kidding. This ain't harassment or something. This is just for entertainment purposes only. I'm just sorry for harassing. Just kidding. Okay, they can barely keep up for some reason. It's because this Corvette C7's maxed out. Oh my god. Okay, it literally just turned on its own. I'm gonna do another. You're outside of the track. Yeah, I know that. It's like it just turned a little bit, but I think but sometimes the AI bot, when you finish the race, the car literally just controls on its own and then it will just slip for some reason. But I don't mind that. It's just bro's not way too good at maneuvering. Okay. Okay, the reason why I don't have volume is sorry. I just did that in the first thing. When I just played music and played Asphalt Nitro while I was grinding off camera. So hopefully my first video go viral for some reason. Oh my god, chill bro. Okay, bro literally just turned for some reason when I wasn't even holding the damn arrow. Okay, I didn't get wrecked, that's because I have absolute armor. If I didn't, then I'd be toast. Yeah. Why was bro going into the shortcut when he was already... Okay, this AI bot is stupid, bro. This AI bot is stupid. I don't know why, but it's actually true. Bro's kind of stupid. Stupid! The tuning kit boosts all your cars for a limited time. I already knew it. Okay, I got 612 stars, and what am I gonna do? An elimination for Pagani Zonda R. Okay, let's get a little bit of these. And a little bit of these too. And bam. The rating increase you obtain multipliers deducted from the losing players. Okay. Okay, now we're in Iceland, and yes, we're using the Pagani Zonda. The Zonda R, and then somebody's using a different color. I don't know why Game Love decided to do that, but yes, it's just way too obvious, so that you know. 4 barrel rolls and 4 flat spins. So I just gotta go here for a barrel roll ramp. Okay, nice. I just got a barrel roll. I'm gonna do it on the next lap, I think. And I just gotta do the flat spin on some of the ramps because ramps are a little common on Iceland. This track is just way too annoying. Oh, there's a barrel roll ramp. Just have to slow. Oh my god, chill! Okay, if I lose this one, then I'm actually be cooked. Okay, this Zona is fast as fuck. Okay, I didn't get any of the extra star quests, but I'm already getting the barrel rolls. Easy. What the? Oh, I think I need one more barrel roll for some reason. Let's just go to another barrel roll ramp. A curved ramp. But I think there's one. Oh, there's one. Oh my, I didn't do a barrel. I just slowed down. I need to hurry up. I had to use all of my potential for this one. Okay, this Zonda is fast, man. Yes, this is a Zonda. This is a Zonda. Bam! I just did a drifting knockdown. Cry about it. Nah, just kidding. I don't want harassment. Okay, bam. Okay, not. Oh my god, did he do a barrel roll, bro? I didn't even get once. I did it. Oh, I did it. I already did a barrel. I didn't even know that. I already did 4 barrels, and then next I need to get flat spins, and the Zonda is back once again to annoy me. You can't, buddy. You can't. Oh my god. I might actually lose this one. Oh my god, bro is way too fast. How the hell is that possible? Dumb. Bro literally just slipped. Bro doesn't even want to go to the shortcut. Okay, I managed to do 4 flat spins. Oh, that was close. Okay, look at it. The AI is just driving on its own. Bro, I got higher rank than him. How was bro so fast? I got higher rank than him, and the Furbilinata has higher rank. How did bro manage to lose against the fucking Zonda? What the hell? Okay, I got 617 stars. I'm close to unlocking one of the events in here, which needs 620 stars. So I just need to complete the specific events. McLaren. 7 flat spins of 4 barrel. I think I could do that. I think I could do that. Let's just see. Let's just watch and learn. Okay, some cars might even have to use their full potential of this. Even though my cars maxed out, they are still OP, and they're literally in the wrong place. Wait, is this? Oh my god, I'm dumb. Okay, I don't have any brain cells left right now. 7 flat spins and 4 barrel rolls. Okay, doing a barrel roll is irritating. So I need to do 4 barrel rolls. So I just need 2 barrel rolls to at least get 4. Bad math. Are you serious? Why did you just infect me like that? Okay, they 1 flat spin, but I just got slammed into a fucking wall. What the fuck? Did you steal my nitro? Get that, buddy. Take that. Flat spin. So I got 2 flat spins. That's good. Let's do a flat spin here yet again. Okay, got 1 flat spin. I didn't even do that on purpose, bro. I just did it. I just did it on purpose. Okay, I have wrong RAM right. Bam, buddy. Yeah, that was a good impact. He literally just suffocated. He literally just got a lot of Oh my god. Oh my god, damn. Okay, if you get obliterated while you're infected, then all of your nitro literally just betrays you. Oh my, I'm infected again. Thank you, bro. Thank you for that boost. Thank you for the boost, but I don't like being infected. Nice. Okay, I can get 4 barrel rolls and 7 flat spins. Let's wreck this bad boy. You think you're tough? Oh, dumb. Although I didn't even manage to. Oh, let's flat spin here. Okay, I did 7 flat spin. Oh my god, that was a bad idea. That was a bad idea. Take that, buddy. Take that. Oh my god. Oh, bro. Okay, the game's confusing hell. Come on, infect me. Hurry up, why? Okay, I'm in 3rd place, but I managed to get 1 star. This game's a disappointment. I literally just suffered. I literally just slowed down. Okay, Okay, they've improved a bit. But why isn't Agera keeping up with me? How is bro fast? The hell? Oh, we just drifted and did a flat spin at the same time. That's mind-blowing, bro. We just did a flat spin and then we just drifted at the same time. Nah, bro. Oh my god, this is mind-blowing. This is too much. Okay, I might actually have to do some events that I didn't do earlier. Okay, what about the Lamborghini event? Okay, I need 2 barrels and 3 perfect runs. I'm gonna do that. Wait a minute, guys. Just wait a minute. I need to pause. Okay, we're back again. We're back. I'm back. Okay, as I said, I'm gonna do some uncompleted events that I was lazy. I was even lazy to win those events, and I'm gonna win this Geely GC9 event. This jelly event. Just kidding. It's not a jelly event. It's a race. It's a race, not an event. I got you. But let's see what of the races if it's okay. God, this thing is slow. The acceleration of this car is way too slow than a regular Desier, bro. The hell? Why is it way too slow? Why is it way too slow than my internet? Why is it even slower than internet right now, bro? What the hell? Oh, I thought I did a barrel roll back there a bit. But yeah, I think it's a little possible. I think it is. I think it just isn't possible. Ah! Okay, 1.49 seconds of aircraft. Why the hell did I say aircraft for some reason? There's no time for swimming. Yeah, I get that, buddy. I've already swam before. Well, I usually don't swim just because, yeah, I have a fear something underwater. Yeah, but I can breathe. But I can't breathe underwater. I can. Okay, let's just skip that. Okay, let's just skip that. I was abandoning the race. I was doing that clean trick shot, but my car was just too slow. This thing is slow as a fucking turtle, bro. And the handling, it's not that bad. The acceleration is just doo-doo, bro. The acceleration is just doo-doo. Okay, bam. I just got a perfect run and 4 city havocs. Okay, I need to get my second perfect run, but it's possible. You just need to keep drifting, although that slows you down, which gives you time to dodge walls and cars. So yeah, I'll get my second perfect run here. Okay, I got my second perfect run, and voila, I got all the events. Oh, sorry, I got all the stars, the extra stars. Okay, I almost hit a car with the Geely GC9's bad handling for some reason. I almost hit a car. Don't mind that sound. Please, just let me do that. Okay, can't do the trick shot. I just wrecked my car for no damn reason, bro. I can't do the trick shot with a slow car. Bam! Bro got distracted. But yes, yeah, you see the acceleration? It's way too slow. It's way too slow than a regular internet, bro. It's way slower than a regular internet. You see the acceleration? Yes, it was slow as but it's buns. Time your Nitro Blast. Okay, we finally unlocked our first race. A Nissan 370Z, a Mustang, a Geely. After all that, I just got a D car, and I have to finish in 1 minute and 26 seconds, and I'll do this in my other video because I'm way too lazy right now. Toodles.